Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 44. Quaestio 44. Quid nos docet decologi praefatio? Responsio. Decologi praefatio nos docet, quod quoniam Deus est Dominus, nosterque Deus ac Redemptor propteria praecepta eius omnia tenemur observare. The question is quite straightforward. Question 44. What does the preface of the Ten Commandments teach us? The response. The preface of the Ten Commandments teaches us that because God is the Lord and our God and Redeemer, therefore His precepts, His commandments, all of them, we are bound, we are constrained to keep them or to observe them. So then in the question we begin with the interrogative quid, and it is neuter singular and accusative because it is the object of a docet. The subject is praefatio, feminine singular and nominative. So what is it that, or what does, the preface of the Decalogue, this is masculine singular and genitive, what does it teach us? Now if you're looking closely at this verb edocet, it's from edokeo, edokere, like so, its second conjugation. You'll notice it takes two objects. Verbs like edokere can take two objects. To teach someone, that's nos, in the masculine plural and accusative, to teach someone something, quid. Other verbs that regularly take two accusatives are rogo and kalo, and there are a few more. Then the answer. The preface of the Ten Commandments, the preface of the Decalogue. Here's feminine, singular, and nominative, once again, the subject. Notice how the final portion of the question is repeated at the beginning of the answer. The preface of the Decalogue teaches us that, here's quod, introducing indirect statement, as happens in late Latin, that, and then we have this subordinate clause, because God is the Lord, and He is our God, and He is our Redeemer. So here we have a string of nominatives, Dominus, Noster, Deus, Redemptor, Deus. These are all nominatives, masculine, singular, and nominative. And with the exception of Redemptor, they are all second declension. So because that is the case, therefore, propteria, praecepta eius omnia, all of His precepts, and praecepta is neuter plural and accusative, as the object of observare, this first conjugation infinitive. Praecepta is modified, moreover, by omnia. Eius is a masculine singular and genitive. It's a pronoun here, referring back to Deus. Because God is the Lord and our God and Redeemer, therefore His precepts, His commandments, all of them, we are constrained to nemur. This is a first plural, present, indicative, and passive from the second conjugation verb, teneo, tenere. We are constrained to keep all of His commandments.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.